Now we'll be testing leg strength, and we'll be relating each action to specific spinal nerve root levels. Technically, you'd want to do this on both sides, of course, and compare the two sides. For the purpose of the video, we're going to be demonstrating on one side. So starting out, we'll be doing hip flexion, okay? So all I want you to do is keep the leg relatively straight and try to raise it up off the table, okay? As you do that, I'm going to resist. So I'm going to stabilize your pelvis here, so bring the leg up. Okay, I'm going to push down and you resist. Now this is testing the L1, L2 nerve root levels. Good, and relax there, good. Now we're going to do the opposite motion, so hip extension. I want you to push your leg into the table, okay? But first, let me position myself here. I'm going to place on the back of your leg. Now push down into the table. I'm going to try to lift your leg up. Now push down. Good. Now this is testing L5, S1 levels. Perfect, good. Now we're going to do adduction, so adduction, bringing the legs in together. So bring the legs apart. And on this one, all I want you to do is bring your legs in. So I'm going to position my hands here by the knees. Okay, now bring in. There you go. Now this is testing L2 and L3 levels. Good, and relax. Now we're going opposite. So you're going to push the legs outward. So right here, and go. Great. Now this is L4 and L5 levels. Good, and relax. Okay, now we're going to test knee flexion, okay? It's going to bring you into this. All I want you to do is pull your heel in towards your hamstring like that, okay? And I'm going to resist. Ready? Okay, now pull it in. This is testing the S1 level. Good. Now we're doing the opposite. So you're going to try to straighten your leg this way. So this is knee extension. We're testing L3, 4. Okay, and go. Perfect. Good. And relax. Give you a small break for a few seconds there. Okay. Now, what we're going to test is ankle dorsiflexion, okay? So you're going to pull the foot back like that. Don't let me point your foot back down, okay? So hold it up in that position. Okay, I'm going to stabilize. This is testing the L4 level. Good, okay. Now point your foot all the way down, so into plantar flexion. I'm going to try to straighten this by pushing it back. You resist, okay? Mm-hmm. And this is testing S1 and S2 levels. Good. Okay, perfect. Now what I want you to do is relax the foot. You're going to pull your big toe back. So this is testing the extensor hallucis longus, specifically L5. So pull that big toe back. Don't let me bend it forward. Perfect, good toe extension. Okay, and relax. Now we're going to do ankle inversion. So you're bringing it into inversion. I'm going to try to push your foot back out the other way, okay? Now this is testing L4. Ready? Okay, and resist. Good. Okay, and relax. Now we're going to do ankle eversion. Bringing out that way, I'm going to try to push it back in. You resist, okay? This is testing S1 and S2. Actually, mistake. This is L5, S1, to correct myself. There you go. Good, and relax. Perfect. And as I mentioned earlier, we would be testing both sides.